Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to do question number 5 of exercise 2B. So according to the question, it is written that the coordinates of triangle ABC and A complement triangle A dash, B dash and C dash are given. So first part is, first of all, we have to come to the question. I have to read the question for you. Okay. It is written, beta, that the coordinates. Do you know what are the meaning of coordinates? Yes, ordered pair. When we have a bracket and bracket, we have two values are given. The first value shows, yes, what does the first value show? It is the value of x. And that the second value shows the value of y. Okay. So we have given the coordinates of triangle ABC. And next, and of its image, this triangle ABC has its image, that is triangle A dash, B dash, C dash, or you can say A prime, B prime, or C prime. So what is your first part? They are saying draw triangle ABC and A complement, B complement, C complement. Is it clear? So first of all, we have to draw this. So comes to the question. Okay. How we have to draw? The coordinates are given. I will look here. Here, they are saying first we have to come to the first vertex. Do you know what is the meaning of vertex? The corner of a triangle. And all of you know that in a triangle, how many corners are there? There are, yes, 3 corners. Okay. And just give me 1 second. So first, for the first vertex, it is given 4 and 1. So first of all, I have to take the point A, that is 4 and 1. Look here, this is the Cartesian plane. Different numbers are given. Okay, 4 and 1 mean on x-axis we have to take 4. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to take 4, and on y-axis we have to take 1. This is the first point. This is the first point where x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. Now we come to the second point. And what is the second point? It is 6 and 1. On x-axis we have to take 6. Okay, and on y-axis we have to take 1. First one is 4 and 1, and the next one is 6 and 1. Okay, this one is point A and this one is B. Now we come to the third vertex or third point, that is 4 and 6. On x-axis we have to 4, and on y-axis we have to take 6. Okay, I have to use color so that it is clear to you. Just give me a few seconds. Look here. Here first I have to take A. Here x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1, and this one is B. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. So I have to use this red color for showing this line. These are the 2 points, A and B. Okay. 2 points are given, A and B. Next we comes to the, first I have to change the color. Okay. Next we comes to this B. This one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. In C, 4 and 6. Y-axis we have to take 6, and for x-axis we have to take 4. So join B to C. Okay. Now comes to the third point. Now we have to join A and C. Clear ho gaya? This is the line. This one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. This one is A, B, and C. Okay. This is the first triangle which we have to draw, and we have to label it accordingly. Okay. How we have to label? I have to write it here for you. Just give me. Okay. We have to label in this way. First, A is given. And what is the value of A? Look here. X-axis 4, and for y-axis we have to take 1. This is the value of A. Now we come to the second, that is value of B. Obviously it is equal to, x is equal to 6, and for y is equal to, it is equal to 1. Now we come to the third. Here the vertex C or point C, you can say point C. Here the value of x is equal to 4 and the value of y is equal to 6. Clear? Now we have to join these 3 points and this triangle is formed. Clear ho gaya? The first is draw triangle ABC. So I have to draw triangle ABC. Now we come to its image, that is A prime, B prime and C prime. First of all, we have to take its vertex from the question. Look here. This one is, and then we have to draw the image, that is A prime, B prime and C prime. Now I will tell you the value of A prime, B prime and C prime. Just give me a few seconds. Okay. First I have to write here A prime. So this one is A prime. Okay. And what is the value of A prime? I have to write it for you. That is 0 and -1. Okay. Now we come to the second, that is called B prime. So I will tell you the value of B prime. So what is the value of B prime? It is -2 and -1. Okay. The value are -2 and -1. Then we come to the third point, and that is point C prime. And the value of C prime are 0 and -6. X-axis we have 0 and y-axis we have 6. So I will tell you how you have to locate on Cartesian plane. Okay. Just first I have to put the symbol for prime. Okay. This one is B prime and this one is C prime. Okay. Now I will tell you. This one is A prime. X-axis 0. Always remember. On this vertical line, always remember. Wait, I have to show the vertical line also. This one is your vertical line. Okay, students, you must remember that on this vertical line, always remember that on this vertical line, draw a straight line, wait. Okay, on this whole vertical line, the value of x is equal to 0. Is it clear? On this vertical line, the value of x is equal to 0. So we just concentrate on the value of y. What is the value of y here? -1. So tell me why the negative value of y is on upward or downward? Obviously, it is downward. Okay. So we comes to this one, that is A prime, that is 0 and -1. So on this -1, this one is origin, this one is -1. On this -1, we have the point A prime. Next we comes to, on x-axis we have -2 and on y-axis we have -1. This one, x-axis, this one is a horizontal line. X-axis we have -2 and y-axis the same -1. And then the third one is 0 and -6. As you know that on this vertical line, whole vertical line, x is equal to 0. So C prime is equal to -6. So this means where -6 is written, you have to put a dot here. Clear? First of all, I will also clear the, just give me a few seconds. Okay. First, I also show you this horizontal line. Just better. Clear? This green line is your horizontal line. This maroon line is your vertical line. And this is your triangle which shows A prime, B prime and C prime. Just I change the color for you so that it becomes easier for you to understand. Clear? So give me a few seconds. This one is the first point, A and B. The A prime and B prime. And I think so all of you know. Just look here. This one is. Just a few seconds, give me a few seconds. This one is You have to join A and B prime. Okay. Now we move towards the next line, that is, this is C, 0 and -6. So we have to join this. Clear हो गया? So this one is triangle ABC and this one is triangle A prime, B prime and C prime. So first part is that draw triangle ABC and A prime, B prime and C prime. This we have to draw. Okay. Now we have to move toward the second point. And what is that point? Look at the question. They are saying, I just want to use the eraser. Just few seconds. Okay, now we come to the second point. They are saying find the center of rotation by construction. Okay, first we have to find the center of rotation. Okay, so first we have to concentrate on this, the first part of the second. This question number 5, second part. First part is find the center of rotation by construction. Then later on we come to the second part, that is we also tell or state or describe the angle of rotation. Okay, so first of all we have to come to the first part. Just few seconds. Okay. Now we come to the question again. So how we have to find the construction of this rotation? Okay. I use these colors. Okay, I have to use the black so it become easier for you to understand. Look here. Again, I use black so that it becomes easier for you to understand these two triangles. First triangle, this one is triangle ABC, and next we have to move toward the second triangle, and that triangle is its image, that is A prime, B prime and C prime. Okay. So just few seconds. So we move towards the second. Just a. Okay, beta. This one is its image, that is A prime, B prime and then C prime. What is the value of C prime? That is 0 and -6. Here we have to join this C point, 0 and -6. This one. This is its image. Now we move towards the axis. That is called x-axis. Look here. This is called x-axis. And this one is called the y-axis. Just wait. Okay. Clear ho gaya? This one is triangle ABC and this is its image A prime, B prime and C prime. Now we have to find the construction Which step we have to do? We have to do the construction to show its rotation. So we have to join this C with this C prime. Okay. This one is C and this one is C prime. So we have to join these two. We have to join C with this C prime. Look here. Just look here. This one is C, and we have to join this C with this C prime. Okay. Look at this one. This one is C. What is the value of C? 4 on x-axis we have 4, and for y-axis we have 6. And for C prime we have, for x we have 0, and for y we have -6. Clear? We have to join with the straight line. Then we have to use the compass and draw an arc upward and downward. And obviously, first of all, we have to open the compass using this more than the half of this brown line, and then we have to draw arc. First, we have to take the center, this C, draw an arc upward and downward. Then I have to take the center, this C prime, draw an arc upward and downward, and then these arcs, when we have to join these two arcs where they meet each other, we get a perpendicular bisector. Obviously, the perpendicular bisector is a line which cut this C and C prime line into half. Look where. These are the perpendicular bisector. Okay. And this perpendicular bisector intersect this line exact in the center. Now we have to join A and A prime. I have to use a different color so it becomes easier for you. This one is A and this one is A prime. So I have to join these two. Okay. Look at the question. This brown line, this perpendicular bisector, and this line, this exact cut on the same point. What is the point? On x-axis it is 2, and for y-axis it is 0. So this point 2 and 0, these are the coordinates of construction. Okay. And now we have to take this. Look at the B point again. I have to use a compass. Open it more than half. First, I have to take this A as center, and after taking A as center, I have draw an arc. Similarly, taking this A prime as center, draw an arc. Again, this, when I have to join these two arcs, I will get perpendicular bisector which divide this line, blue color line, exact into two parts. And again, this line also passes through the point, and that point is 2 and 0. Look here. Clear? So we comes to the question again, what they demand from us. Look here. They are saying find the center of rotation by construction. So what is the center of rotation? Look at here. It is 2 and 0. Secondly, they are saying what is the center point of rotation? That is, and the first center point of rotation, that is on x-axis it is 2, and on y it is 0. And what is angle of rotation? It makes 180-degree angle. Look here. I use it. So look here. It makes 90-degree angle. 90. It makes 180-degree angle. Clear? First, I will use this razor. Then draw this. Okay. Look here. First, I have to draw this. Look here. 180-degree. I use pencil. Look front. This one is 180-degree, or if I can take this one, this blue line. Look here. Again, it makes 180-degree line. Either you have to use, you have to draw an angle on this blue line or on this line. Both have makes 180-degree angle. Clear? So again we comes to the question. Just wait, give me a few seconds. Okay. So according to the question, they are saying what is center point of rotation? That is, on x-axis it is 2 and on y-axis it is 0. Clear? And what is angle of rotation? It is 180-degree, because as you know, again look here, it makes 180-degree angle. Clear? It is all about question number 5. I think so. This question is clear to all of you. Then this is all for today. Allah Hafiz.